Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farul Daniel, and today I want to present about electrical installation in topic health, safety and environmental. We go through the first topic, use of personal protective equipment or clothing, PPE. The first point is appropriate protective equipment and clothing as necessary. The explanation, uh, this is about designed to protect individuals from various hazards such as physical, chemical, biological, and radiological hazard. The type of protective equipment and clothing needed depend on the nature of the hazard, the level of exposure, and the specific task or activity being performed. This is an example of protective equipment and clothing. The first one is respirators. These are designed to protect the respiratory system from harmful airborne particles such as dust, fumes, and gases. Second is gloves. These are worn to protect the hand from chemical exposure or physical hazards such as cuts, punches, or abrasions. The third one is eye and face protection. This is include goggles, face shield, or safety glasses to protect against chemical splash, dust, or flying debris. The next one, protective clothing. This can include lab coats, coveralls, or gown to protect the skin, clothing from exposure to hazardous substances. And the last one, hearing protection. This can include earplug or earmuff to protect against uh, the noise. Second point is appropriate PPE in electrical installation, workshop and practice safety ethics. The explanation, in electrical installation, is important to wear appropriate personal protective equipment PPE to protect oneself from electrical hazard. Some example of appropriate PPE in an electrical installation workshop include the first one, protective clothing. This include flame resistant clothing such as cotton or wool to protect against art, flash or electrical burns. The second one, glove. Rubber gloves are recommended to protect against electric shock as they are a good insulator. The next one is some safety glasses or goggle. These are important to protect the eyes from flying debris or electrical spark. The four, hard, hard, hard hat. This is important to protect the head from falling object. And the last one, ear protection. If there's if there are loud noises present in the workshop, earplug or ear muff worn to protect the ears. We go to the next slide. This is practice safety ethics in an electrical installation workshop. The first one, always energize equipment before performing maintenance or repairs. Second one, use log out, tag out procedures to prevent accidental energization of equipment. The third, never work on electrical equipment when standing in water or with wet hands. The next one, use appropriate tools and equipment that are designed for electrical work. The next one, follow proper wiring and grounding procedure to prevent electrical hazards. The next one, regular inspect electrical equipment and tools to ensure they are in good condition. And the last one, always follow electrical codes and regulation. Okay, we go through the next point. This is risk if above not apply. And it means previous slide. If appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE) and safety ethics are not applied in an electrical installation workshop, there is a significant risk of electrical hazards which can result in injury or even death. The first one, electric shock. Exposure to electrical current and cause electric shock which can result in burn, muscle contraction and even cardiac arrest. The second one, arc flash. An arc flash is a type of electrical explosion that can result from a short circuit or other electrical fault. It can cause burn, shrapnel injuries, and even death. The third one, fire and explosion. Electrical equipment that is not properly maintained or used can cause fires or explosion, which can result in serious injury or death. The next one, falls and other physical injuries. Working with electrical equipment often involve working hard or in confined space, which can increase the risk of falls and other physical injuries. And the last one, long-term health effect. Exposure to electrical hazard can cause long-term health, also such as hearing loss, nerve damage, and other chronic conditions. One is maintenance and inspection of the PPE. The first one is follow manager instruction. Always follow the manager instruction for maintenance and inspection of PPE. The second one, clean regularly. PPE should be regularly to remove debris and other contaminants that can interfere with its performance. The third one is inspect before after each use. PPE should be inspected before and after each use to ensure that still in good condition. The next one, replace damaged PPE. Any PPE is damaged or no longer functioning properly should be replaced immediately. The next one, store properly. PPE should be stored in a clean, dry and well ventilated area. The last one, keep record. Maintain record all of PPE maintenance and inspection, include the date of inspection. The next slide is device has been used to reduce in electrical installation practice. The first one is residual current device, RACDS. The second one, voltage tester. The second one, installator tools for lock out and take out, like with previously slide. And lastly, ground fault interrupt. How they do in previous slide. The first one, RCDS, monitor the flow electrical and quickly disconnect the power supply. The second one, voltage tester are used check if a circuit is live or not before work is carried out. The third one is insulated tools have a non-conductive coating that prevent electrical current from passing through the tool and into the user. The next one, lockout and take out device are used to insulate to power supply to a circuit during maintenance or repair work. And the last one, ground fault interrupt, GFIS monitor is the flow of the electricity and quickly disconnect of power supply. Other method device that can use reduce in electrical installation is a power analyzer. A power analyzer is device that use measure analyze the electrical power consumption by electrical equipment. The next one, individual can identify areas where energy use can be reduced and take steps improve energy efficiency of electrical equipment. And in addition, the last one, energy efficiency lighting, HVAC system, variable drive, smart building automation system. Work work process that take into account environmental sustainability electrical installation practical tasks. The first one, energy efficiency equipment. Using energy efficiency equipment can significantly reduce energy consumption and help to minimize the environmental. The second one, renewable energy sources, such as solar panels, wind turbines, and geothermal system can help to reduce reliance on fossil. And the third one, proper disposal of waste is an important aspect of environmental sustainability in electrical installation work. The next one, if energy efficient design is that we can help to minimize energy use and reduce environmental impact on electrical installation work. And the last one, regular maintenance can help to ensure that they always efficiently and minimize energy waste. That's all from me. Thank you.